Hello, movers and shakers! Super excited to introduce you to our positive mental health workshop. I'm Tammy. I'm the founder of the Empower, Innovate Movement program, which is all about putting together different organizations that are empowering people to next and to better. So, every step that you own is a step toward freedom. Every choice you make, big or small, can shape your journey to positive mental health. This is the workshop for you. This fall, I invite you to join me for a 6-week workshop where we're going to be helping you take ownership, building resilience, and moving forward to your next and do better. Change waits on no clock. It waits on you, and it waits on you to put some strategic steps into action. This is the program that's all action oriented. I've created it under Tammy Services Corporation, which is all about to next and to better strategic coaching, strategic steps to bring you to next level living. It's sponsored by Hills and Valleys nonprofit organization. So this is a free workshop that is sponsored by Hills and Valleys nonprofit organization that is empowering individuals and communities to live to their fullest potential. And it's underneath the Empower, Innovate Movement program, which are organizations which are all about empowering innovative ways of moving us forward. This workshop will give you some tools. We have reflection practices, and we are going to have supportive community connections because we don't do life alone. We need each other. So, the spaces, are they limited? Yes and no. We want to be able to be inclusive. So if we have a lot of people signing up, we will just get a bigger room. So sign up today. I can't wait to walk this journey with you. Let's live our truth together. So what I would like to do is connect with me, Tammy, at hillsandvalleys.ca. Let's sign up. The course has been made, but we can make it even better when we get some feedback and some of the things that you want to discuss during your mental health workshop. We have some great plans, we have some great activities, and we have some great reflection actions that are going to bring us to that next level living. So I'm waiting for you. I'm looking forward to connecting with you. So join us. October, November, December, it's going to be a time of change. Great things are going to be happening. We're going to be celebrating our wins, big and small, because we will be making some wins, and we are going to be progressively walking life together. See you soon.